I have a trade on Euro US dollar, and the real trade execution is on my own broker, TD Ameritrade, but I executed on TradingView as well. This trade is basically about liquidity range cycle and the T1 type of trade. So the trade breakdown will be at the end of the video. This is the second part of the video recording on weekend. So here is the trade breakdown. We have the bearish change of character. Once we have the change of character or the break of structure, the first thing what we look for is the QM to confirm the range. So we don't have the QM here, and then we wait for the price to break the low, and once price broke the low, this is the first valid pullback. Once we took this pullback, we got the range from A to B. And now what we are looking for, we will go long until decisional order block. So we can find the entry here. Once this disrespected, and now we are looking for the extreme order block. and we are bullish all through this day until here. And here comes with, sometimes the very simple things come into play, but we just miss those simple things, and then we are always we always make the thing so much complicated. That's why I always feel lost. But look how simple the things are. Look here. What is this? This is the extreme order block, and what we were looking for from here, market structure shift, right? But this is not the valid pullback because these two bars are inside bars. So inside bars, I don't count them as a valid pullback. So this is all one leg. But if this is the valid pullback, then this is what the market structure shift. And if we have the market structure shift, what we are looking for? We are looking for to sell, and sell from the extreme from here, and looking for the external range liquidity. But this is number one, this is not the valid pullback, and number second, this is the Asian range, so we don't play. And then what we have, this is what I call how simple things come into play if we just notice them. Look here, what we have the low, lower high, lower low, and actually this is the lower low, right? And then what we have the market structure shift. So actually we have the first trade from here to here. We can find the first trade here, but I was not just a little bit comfortable, because I thought let the price develop a little bit more and then I will see how the things pan out. I didn't enter, but this is still the valid trade here on the lower time frame. I waited for another break of structure, and then what we have, this is the low, higher high, higher low, another higher high, and this is what we have, the higher low. And we don't know this higher low where this will develop. That's why for this range, this is already developed, right? Now this leg, look here, this leg is already developed, but now we are looking for this pullback so we can enter somewhere, and we can target the 5 hour. And this is my whole expectation from this trade. And in this case, what we have, we will go one time frame lower, that is the 3 minute time frame. On the 3 minute time frame, we have the trade here, this one. So what we have a QM here. Once we have the QM, what we are looking for, the opposite QM. Once we have the opposite QM, so on the 15-minute time frame, this is the leg. And now we are looking for the pullback, so we can buy until here, right? And then we don't have any liquidity here. In this case, once we don't have any liquidity, what we are looking for, T2. Market created the T2 here, but I am not looking for to enter here and my stop loss here, because this risk to reward is not favorable for me. So that's why I was waiting until we reach to here, our extreme order block. And from extreme order block, I can control my risk. Once we entered here, and I put my break even stop here, market a little bit consolidated above my break even stop, and but during this consolidated, market did one more thing which I was looking for. This is the swing low, and the market took this low. So in the uptrend, market goes something like this, and if it breaks this low in an uptrend, then most likely this is the inducement, and we are looking for to go higher, something like this. If go like this, break, and then continuously go like this. So we are already from the uptrend and from here actually, and we are going where? So the first question is what? Where are we coming from? And second question is where we are going to. So we are coming from the low, and we are making the higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and we are expecting this until the Asian range high, right? So anywhere on the way, if something this takes, we are still expecting until it reach to our target, and this will be the inducement. So in this case, I know the fact that if the market will take this low, this will turn into the inducement and turn the traders on the wrong side of the market. And those people, for them, if this is the market structure shift, so they were trying to sell here, but I bought here. So the market just pushed and quickly reached to my target. So I have basically two trades here. And you see, this is a very simple trade, and how this trade pans out. I hope it helps. Thank you.